Okay, so I'm on curves with corners. That's exercise number 3 on the artboard. So before I get started, I'm going to go to my layers and I'm looking for curves with corners. There it is. So I'm going to go ahead and minimize simple curves, click on curves with corners, click on layer 14. So I'm activating that layer. And now I'm going to go to my pen tool again, which I guess I got rid of that, so I'll bring that out. I think I only need the pen tool though. And let me show you a little trick. So I start here and I'm going to drag up. And if you just watch for a second, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to mouse down and I get basically what I consider to be a perfect curve. Now you see if I come back over here and I hover over the anchor, I'm not touching anything. If you look carefully, I have a convert anchor point symbol. See, it's not there. If I hover over again the anchor, see the anchor, the word anchor pops up and I get a convert anchor point symbol. So if I click up here, this happens, which I don't want. So instead, what I'm going to do, again, I'm going to hover over and I'm going to hold down the Option key and drag up. And basically what this lets me do is it activates that convert anchor point symbol. So now guess what happens? My curve is now moving up. So if I come over here, look at that. So come back, get that symbol, hold down the Option key, drag up. I call these bunny ears when the handles do that. Okay, so again, hover over, hold down the Option key, drag up, and mouse down, and you get that. So if you understand how to do that, the rest of this is going to be pretty, I wouldn't say easy, but that's like, it took me a while to figure this out. So you might have to try this a few times before it really sinks in, but that's what we're looking for. So I'm going to do the exact same thing here, and let me show you. Let me unclick so I'm not activating that. Oh, there's the bell. So I'm going to mouse up. I'm going to mouse down, and go back here, same principle. I get that little caret, convert anchor point, hold down the Option key, drag this up, and come on over here. Okay, that's starting to look pretty good. All right, so now I want to come over this way. It's still a curve, so I'm going to, I think I'll click over here. Yeah, that looks pretty good. And the question is, how far should you drag? I think about there, because you can see the curve is going in slightly. So I'm going to drag this in just a little bit. Come down here. Okay, so it's the same principle. Come over here, get the convert anchor point symbol. Drag this up just a little bit. Come over here. Oops, I didn't click on the right thing. So I'll show you how to fix that. And then come over here and grab that, and then what I'm going to do is grab my direct selection tool and bring this in, and I can of course adjust my handles, and look, I've got a perfect heart using this principle. This takes a while to practice, so please don't expect to get this on the first try, but that's how you do that.